What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Sham, and I'm back with another video. This is a cooking video. See, today I have steak and potatoes, and I'm gonna show you how I make it. Okay, here's the potatoes. I'm cutting the potatoes up right now, you guys. I'm cutting them in half and quarters, and then I'm gonna chop them things up into 2s or 3s, depending on how big it is. Yeah, I'm just cutting. I just wanted to show you guys how I cut my potatoes. Yeah, so your girl is cutting potatoes right now. This man is gonna be good. Y'all see more little hand right there. That baby always wanna cook with her mama. She gonna be a chef just like her mama. Y'all hear her calling me right now. Yeah, so I'll cut the potatoes up. Y'all see her hand? Do y'all see her hand? I didn't even peep that, you guys. Okay, here I'm washing the potatoes, because you know you have to wash the potatoes off. Don't play. Yeah, and I'm cutting our steak up. And right here, you guys, the steak was too thin. I usually use thicker steak. Y'all see I say I use thicker steak because so that the steak and the potatoes could cook evenly together. You know, when you have thin steak and thick potatoes, it's not gonna cook right. But you guys, surprisingly, it cooked perfectly. Yeah, and here we go. I'm still cutting up that steak, getting it right. Your girl done. Okay, right here, you guys, I'm using that vinegar to wash my steak. You have to use vinegar to wash your steak, you guys. And if you don't use vinegar, use cold water. But you have to wash that steak. You're not the it girl if you don't wash that steak. And that's on period. Wash. Y'all see me? Little ashy hands. But I'm washing that steak. And here I go. I'm adding the steak to my potatoes. My washed potatoes and my washed steak. And y'all see your girl over there washing her hands. Do y'all? Period. Okay, right here I'm adding my extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, I'm adding my oil. Then your girl gonna add all of her good seasonings. I have to get the camera right so y'all can see my food. Like, let's go. Okay, there's my original all-purpose seasoning. That's my steak seasoning, you guys. Sprinkle a little dash of that on here. If it ain't seasoned right, I don't know what it is, baby. Dash, dashy, dash. Yeah, and we're gonna go with a little bit of accent. Put the accent on there, girl. Get it right, get it tight. What else we got? We got that garlic powder. You guys, I love garlic. I'm not gonna play over that garlic powder. I don't use garlic salt, but garlic powder is my best friend. On there, good, baby. Yes. There we go with our chopped onions. Mind you guys, I don't really like fresh onions. I cook with it sometimes, but I didn't have it, so we're gonna throw them chopped onions in there. You know, it still gives it some flavor. I wish I had peppers, but yeah, we're gonna work with what we got to get what we want. And there we go with that slap your mama. Yeah, slap that on there, you guys. Make sure it's seasoned enough. Please make sure it's seasoned. And then we have our parsley. Add that parsley on there too, you guys. Don't play with your girl. Y'all know you gotta add that parsley on there. That's for the color, baby. Now I'm mixing up those potatoes and that steak. Like, yo, you know, it's looking good to me already. I ain't even gonna hold y'all because steak, potatoes. What? Hold on, let's take a potato. Okay, right here I'm adding the browning sauce. Y'all see it right there, the caramel browning. Just for a little bit of color. Yeah. just for a little bit of color, so I'm finishing mixing. Mix that thing well, you guys. Y'all want the seasoning on every potato and every piece of steak. That thing looking good. I'm ready. I can just taste it through the phone. Y'all know what's going on. I had to show y'all. Yeah, look how good that's looking. Period. There go my pan. I'm gonna transition it to the pan. Yeah. And then your girl is going to. Y'all see what's going on? The girl trying to get everything right. Gonna make sure everything is in the pan equally, so it can cook equally. And then I added some more chopped onions on there because, like I told you guys, onions have a lot of flavor. Like, period. Chopped onions, it don't matter. There go my favorite food, you guys. Y'all already know from the previous cooking videos, my garlic butter. The girl don't play about that garlic butter, and that just makes everything taste 100% better. Butter make it taste better, and that's on period. Yeah. I'm gonna add enough on there. I'm not even gonna play with that. Yep. Period. And then we're gonna throw the foil on there. We don't need no water, you guys. We don't need none of that, because guess what? If y'all cooks, y'all already know that the oil, the meat itself makes juice, you guys. So we don't need no water. We don't need no water. We just need natural flavors. Okay, right here we throwing that thing in the pan. I mean, you guys, we throwing that thing in the oven. Thumbs up, period. And just like that, you guys, the steak and potatoes are done. Good eats, good eats, good eats. Alright, you guys, this is the finishing product. This is the steak and potatoes. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I added cheese in there. In there. All right, I'm about to taste it really fast. Tender. Let me try the potato. Your girl do it every time, and that's on period. And this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on. I'm about to finish this food, and I'm out of here. Bye.